How are you, my brother? How is madam? Everybody okay? Inshallah, it's through 4 years now. We thank God, thank Allah. Inshallah,
And Igbo King and some that's what trending every news anymore. And that's what more now every day biano new stories pop it up. Every day be new expose pop up. Now only there. Ohun bedwuru because Igbo King yes yada and so na egwa bontene Ghana yada. As an egwa bontene Igbo man yi the Ghana King out to ne ho so bu amount. In fact, he's scamming the foreign businessmen all in the name of he's a king of Ghana. He's Ghana King. Metro mo kwanya of us so scamming some Turkish businessman. Now so achira waju na ewo ho amame. Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Meswa say any day mo. Obe like video no other ma subscribe button snap back the bell notification latest updates. Now better waju ndi amame. Ewo comment section. Meswa so baso. No she video from any be ashe. And for the past month, the Igbo King has always been in the conversation, and Ghana for be able to say, oh, because of this Igbo man, no, all Nigerian population in Ghana they must go. We must expatriate them. Yam pam omunya woman free Ghana hanoma emko. Everyone said Nancy Abrakwa MET with the Nigerian Foreign Affairs Minister, Honorable Bianca Emma Horokwano. Omo adding same to Ghana for the now it has become offense. So you're Ghana now we protest against Nigeria in Ghana here because Ghana from Nigeria for the bomb home by Kama and then there's no need. It's Mahama Kwabeka said they say we are Ghana protest against Nigerian community or Ghana Hanuma. A offense was no bit my shit. Emmanuel TikTok as from Kwabeka can be to Mahama. That was already a editorial. Igbo man ya de bia manfo ya no si ne ho yempam wo mu omi ya kromfo Igbo man ya kromfo wo ya kromfo yempam no o ya kromfo no eno a che nwumre ana my CTV GH omo eba live omo promo to the front line omo ba live na buza ho no ana omo de WhatsApp chats audios any ade ekwan a Igbo man yi efa so scam foreign businessmen all in the name of say we are king of Ghana. Let's watch the video.
This is a guy who is quietly staying here and using the image of Ghana doing all sorts of. Also, I catch him earlier said, in UAE, the passport deals are ECOSWA. Nigerians need AU so on them. We make Tracia the Abase ono and the campaign in Ghana or Eden or all my Nigerians need go on in your passport. Either he chooses to answer this or deny. Na anadwi bibiara yebe ya chiro eye nkoma oni business partner edia ni na no kopiem se wode ni na koye atoro enada eni akoshisem. But first, before Chukwudi's victim joins me, there was a contract between the two partners, and I want my executive producer to walk us through that very agreement. You know, you the better screens, you know, be agreement ben a course between the business partner and the Chukwudi, you know. There ben any say one more enyena and tiase enrollment. Yeah, take it up.
Okay. Osha, the documents that we've laid hands on.
Do I have my executive producer over there?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay, so yeah, take it up na yen in term.
So yensa ka documents yensa.
Good.
3 different documents. The agreement, a bank statement, then an invoice. So I will first go through the agreements, then we'll proceed from there.
Okay. Now, can you walk us through gradually? What's our documents?
So the agreement, you know, it is between Juliana's, which is the Turkish company, and one other company by name Chibet Group of Companies, which is the company that belongs to Mr. Chikuzi.
Okay.
So the agreement was signed. So let me read the entire thing. So this agreement is entered into effect on the 22nd day of September 2015.
Good.
Between Juliana's V Tourism San TIC Limited, Party A of Kamapasa Ma, then somewhere in Istanbul, Turkey, represented by its manager, Mr. Mehmet Kehan, and Chibet Group of Companies, Party B, of house number 2020, American House, East Legon, Accra, Ghana, represented by its manager, His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukudi the First, Ihinetu. 1. Subject to the terms and conditions of this agreement, Party A hereby covenants with Party B on the supply of porcelain and ceramic tiles from Turkey to Ghana for a period of subject to renewal. 2. Purpose. It is agreed that the Party A ships 5 containers of products with the correct specification to Party B.
Okay, so
of the product to Party B.
Okay.
Then 3. Payment. It is also agreed that Party B receive these containers and make payment of products 60 days after bill of loading. Revolving credit in this case refers to paying an account the sum owed by Party A by Party B. 4. Terms. Party A, in reference to this agreement, must ensure that all products sent to Party B are expressly agreed in terms of quality, color, size, quantity, and other specifications required by Party B by order. 5. Conditions. During the term of this contract, both Party A and Party B will keep to the timelines expressly agreed to, supply and pay for the products respectively. 6. Information exchange. The Party B is required to provide written reports on a consignment basis in order to provide the necessary information that Party A requires on each consignment. Party A is also required to provide an up-to-date, consignment-specific description of the products that are to be shipped 3 days clear before the written information. 7. Termination. Both Party A and B have equal rights to terminate this agreement, but subject to a 3-month advance notice. 8. Governing law. The international trade law. In witness whereof the undersigned have executed this agreement as part of the day and year first written above. The parties hereto agree that facsimile signatures shall be as effective as if originals by Mehmet Kehan, Julianas. Then the other person that signed is Chibet Group of Companies. Witness.
So the Chibet company belongs to
Chibet company belonds to Chukwueze.
I see.
Yeah, the Nigerian man.
Okay.
Then the Julianas belongs to the Turkish businessman.
Okay.
Yes. So apart from this document, the other document we have there. The other document we have there is account statement.
Okay.
So if you look clearly at the account statement, it says that there have been our 17 containers that have been shipped to Ghana in 3 different consignments. The first consignment had 7 containers, second 5 containers, and the third 5 containers.
All making how many containers?
17 in total.
17?
Yeah.
That the Turkish partner shipped to Chukwudi, correct?
Yes, please.
I see.
So the total amount involved is $284,196.20.
Wow.
Then there has been some payments. In 2016, $18,500 was paid. On the 2nd of April 2022, $5,000 was paid. And 1st June 2022, $10,000 was paid. So total payments is $33,500. It means that the remaining amount to be paid is $250,692.20.
And then, the rest?
Yeah. So that's the amount involved and then the amount that has been paid.
I see.
Yes.
And this transaction, if per what we have perused, is about 10 years down the line and still counting, correct?
Yes, please. Because the agreement was signed in 2015.
Wow.
Yeah, September 2015.
Yeah.
Yes.
Folks, Okay, yeah.
The last document is just an invoice that was sent from Juliana's.
Okay. So that
is all it is.
That may not be really necessary, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Guys, so what my executive producer just read a while ago, gone past, it's an agreement between the two parties. So it isn't that, you know, what's his name? Mamet Kayan just woke up and said, Chukwudi, I want to do business with you. No, folks, before the commencement of the business was what? An agreement signed between the two parties. And we just read agreements to you. Both signed. Chukwudi signed here, and a Turkish guy also signed here. So both of them are bound by this agreement. On supply, Unyama saying 17 containers have been supplied. ISO Tianeka. Now, it is also there's a clause in the agreement suggests that if both parties are comfortable, and as I say here, the exit clause in the agreement are all explicitly clear. So why would you urge somebody to use his money to supply you these goods, and it's been 10 years and still counting, and he continues to lie to the Turkish guy continuously? Folks, this is quite serious. Now, there are some text messages here. I'm going to read it to our listeners, and I'm sure we are going to make the text messages also available on the screens. Guys, do we have it there? Now, Eba Sano, the Turkish man at trial said, Chukudi bet 20 sikaman, eh, or bet 10 years in you. I'm not his own tia. It's on any text messages, exchanges. And now, also say, now, maybe a kind message natural, so that you understand the kind of the Chukwudi personified, as many are now pointing the spotlight on him, that he's what? He's a fraudster. Guys, share messages now. Or the one Turkish channel, trans or the buy Chukwudi at the buy. I say, by the grace of God, I will pay you all the money before the end of this year. This time, not month to end of this year. I will be paying you bit by bit from next month by the grace of God. Thank you for your understanding, my brother. Good night, my dear brother. He tried to be what? Cunning. He tried to be trickish. He tried to be stylish. And these are all signs of people with a mindset of what? Attempting to defraud somebody. Now listen, the Turkish man comes back. Said, now, he Chukwudi comes back. Also, oh, okay, my brother. Please, I'm sorry, my dear brother. Business is not good. That's why I'm delaying for the balance payment. Then the Turkish man continued. Pay me piece by piece. Now, it's over. I have waited too long. Chukwudi comes and say, okay, my brother. Then he comes back and say, yes, my dear brother. How are you doing and your family? They be papa no say no who te saying, ne mate saying, some foolish things. Once the man is looking for his money, and he continued to play dilly-dally, trickish, corn, and like a corn man. Now listen to the statement or the message from the Turkish man. Saying, enough is enough. I am out of strength. I want my money. Look at your approach. Then Chukwudi comes with a response. There is no money yet, my dear brother. I am still working for money so that I will pay you your balance. Then the Turkish man comes back to say, where did the goose go? Bro, I have been waiting for 8 years. So guys, how many years now? From 6 years, we've moved to what? 7 years. Now, 8 years. And all of this period, Chukwudi continue back to back with messages of what? Lies, trickish, and stylish. Now, he comes back with another message. Good evening, my dear brother. How are you doing and your beautiful family? Sorry, I couldn't call you back. I just finished from the program I went for. Please, I will call you tomorrow. Good night, my dear brother. Then he comes back again with another message. Good morning, my dear brother. Please, how are you doing? Please, I am sorry I missed your call. I am working on getting the money. As those that owing me promise to pay me today. As soon as I collect the money from them, then I will send it immediately to you, my brother. good morning, my brother. Then the Turkish man comes back here to say, I was devastated. Enforcement foreclosure. The record turned negative. The verdict of the imprisonment came out. My houses and my vehicles are what? Gone. Not just a Turkish Nino. I feel the Turkish government court attorney dying and in your now. This is the Chukwudi, Ezi Chukwudi, who want to build a parallel kinship here in this country, who want to build a palace and many more. He has lied to the authorities of this country for so many times. And look at the business he's doing with people and continue to lie. Now I'll say, what you did to me and my family is not enough. You ruin my what? My child's future. Or say my child's future. Down I feel where did you use? I mean to me use. Turkish nini use man. Let's just say I feel why they was saying the family nema won't be bia aseno. Let's just say ebi krana ne money go school. Nkrana sabri was say omu future. Then Onuchukudi comes with an answer. Or say, please, my brother, you know I can't what? Fucked up. Sorry for my F word. Or say I can't blah blah blah. My dear brother, the problem is bad business. I lost all my money. That's why I'm selling my house. Now Chukudi is telling us, now he's selling his house to pay you your balance. I have sell so many things. And the Turkish culture said, I don't have what? I don't have 1 minute. Then he comes back again. Turkish guy comes back. Say 9 years. It's called what? 9 years old. It's called fraud. Why are you torturing me? Chukudi comes back to say what? The balance of your money will be paid soon. Good morning, my dear brother. How are you doing and your family? Baby, Asubisano. It's not true. I feel Turkish guy responds that I am not accepting any excuses this time. I can see you are online. No need to run away. I am not stupid. Chukudi comes with a response. Good evening, my dear brother. How are you doing and your beautiful family? Happy New Year once again. We just came back from church now. Let's just say, then the Turkish guy comes or say, have a nice Sunday. Tomorrow is very important. Chukudi comes. Good evening, my dear brother. On the say, yeah, my dear brother. Please, things are very hard up until now, but I am working so hard to get things done to come back to normal very, very soon. Please don't worry. I will pay you the balance soon. The Turkish man comes with a response saying, I'm really tired. I can't believe it. This is such a torture. Chukudi comes or say, may this month of love favor, and now he wants to sound more spiritual. So listen to what he said. May this month of love favor and flourish you like never before. May God blow your mind with testimonies. Hallelujah. I wish you all the best in this new month and beyond. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Happy New Year. H.R. Ezi, Dr. Chukwudi, Jude. Ihinitu. Guys, this is terrible. And this is so pretty fascinating, troubling on our hands. This is what? A Turkish businessman. Now, quickly, before my Turkish partner joins me, you could hear audio recordings. Nina, apart from the message exchanges, he again sent him what? Audio recordings. Purporting said he was going to pay the money in no time. Guys, Ghana for, Papa, is this a man you allow to stay in a country like this and use our name, our soil, to be defrauding people? Take a listen to what he told the Turkish man in all of these audio recordings. I can tell you, Sam, in this audio recording I'm about to play, quite a short one though, but one thing runs all through. And what is this? Excuses all through. Listen to this.
Alaikum Kayan. How are you, my brother? How is madam? Everybody okay? Inshallah, it's through 4 years now. We thank God take Allah. Inshallah, business not good at all. Not good everywhere. Bad, not good. But we thank God, inshallah. Inshallah, by the end October, inshallah, I will send you, I'll make transfer for you, some transfer, not all, inshallah. October ending, okay? God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, Kayan, my brother, how are you? Happy Sunday to you and to everybody in the house. I greet you. Kayan, inshallah, end of January 2022, end of January, I will start paying you money small, okay? Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. My brother, how are you? I have my customer that gave me check. The check we clear on 28th of this month, January. Inshallah, as soon as the check clear, then I communicate you. You give me your account, I send you money. Okay? God bless you. Hi. How are you, Kayan's son, and how are you, Mr. Kayan, and your family? I received your message. Kayan, yes, I told you by end of January, but the check that was issued to me for 28, the check was bounced. So I couldn't raise money to send to you. So I beg of you, give me to the end of February. I will send money to you. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Good morning, Kayan, my brother. How are you and the family? Happy Sunday. Kayan, don't worry. Everything will be fine very soon. Okay? Hello, my brother Kayan. How are you doing? I'm in a vehicle going for a meeting. I'll call you when I get home, okay?
Penyah, this is pretty disturbing. Of course, the frontline investigates. We are going into the full disclosure of this case. On other screens, I want him to come out by close of tomorrow and deny, say he's not owing or he's not attempting to defraud the Turkish national. Now, quickly, my main family go back to the messages are on a Turkish guy, Mamet, on any aid, not mean Chemadibu on the messages. Now, she said on top of the messages, Osha then watch your Ken. So what it means is that everybody bia on an business biano, he portrayed himself as what? A king of the Igbos in Ghana, a liar, a crook, and a ragamuffin. Check all the messages. Muzumi Rana Ghana for them. Walk through. But we say ni now. Watch ne head there's King Ghana. You mumma bear 2 or 3. We say ni now. Ni imagine that. Can you zoom more, guys? Ni imagine that hono. Kesa watch King Ghana. And some Fusa who made him a king in this country. That's there. I don't want anybody to say, Kweku, you've cooked these messages. No, these are messages coming from him. And I dare him, he should come and confirm or deny this. How can you portray yourself as a king in a sovereign nation called Ghana? How? Guys?
How are you, my brother? How is madam? Everybody okay? Inshallah, it's through 4 years now. We thank God, thank Allah. Inshallah, business not good at all. Not good everywhere. Bad, not good. But we thank God, inshallah. Inshallah, by the end October, inshallah, I will send you, I'll make transfer for you, some transfer, not all, inshallah. October ending. Okay? God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, Kayan, my brother. How are you? Happy Sunday to you and to everybody in the house. I greet you. Kayan, inshallah, end of January 2022, end of January, I will start paying you money small. Okay? Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. My brother, how are you? I have my customer that gave me check. The check we clear on 28th of this month, January. Inshallah, as soon as the check clear, then I communicate you. You give me your account, I send you money. Okay? God bless you. Hi, how are you, Kayan's son, and how are you, Mr. Kayan, and your family? I received your message. Kayan, yes, I told you by end of January, but the check that was issued to me for 28, the check was bounced. So I couldn't raise money to send to you. So I beg of you, give me to the end of February. I will send money to you. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Good morning, Kayan, my brother. How are you and the family? Happy Sunday. Kayan, don't worry. Everything will be fine very soon. Okay? Hello, my brother Kayan. How are you doing? Google information. I'll call you when I get home. Okay?
Penyah, this is pretty.
So when a kwambone a Igbo man no ene mefunu a odi e wo Ghana ha ogu Ghana ni mu ase scam amanfo all in the name of say oye king of Ghana gu Ghana ni mu ase poto say ye dini o say mpanifo etim to na sifo na omiye bi go de koso no eni enyan papa we ya hwe ya obe odi ani munyam ebetwitwi fom obetuma kire wadwene amame e wo comment section ahi Penyah Block Media Accra.